Many organizations struggle with monitoring adverse events efficiently, as manually sifting through multiple sources is time-consuming and prone to error. The risk of missing important signals increases as data sources multiply, potentially leading to delayed responses to safety issues. Automating this process becomes essential, but even automation must be set up carefully to ensure that nothing critical is overlooked. That's where Houdin comes in. Houdin simplifies and automates adverse event monitoring by collecting and analyzing data from multiple sources in real time. The platform pulls data from official adverse event databases such as MAUD, but it also scans forums, trade press, and social media platforms where suspected adverse events may be discussed. This comprehensive approach ensures you have access to real-time information about your product and similar products all in one place. The process begins by entering your product details, such as the name and manufacturer, into the system. You can also add similar products to monitor, ensuring you capture relevant adverse event data across the industry. Once set up, Houdin continuously monitors and categorizes this information, keeping you updated with the latest reports from all tracked sources. Let's take a look at a real-life example of how Houdin can collect adverse events related to a product. Houdin flagged an adverse event article related to the product Alinity C by Abbott, where a malfunction led to the premature release of a component, potentially causing cross-contamination of samples. This malfunction posed a serious risk to patient safety. In another case, while monitoring the Lexel Gamma knife icon, Houdin identified an incident involving a similar product, the tomotherapy treatment delivery system. A field service engineer was injured due to equipment malfunction during maintenance. While this did not directly involve the Lexel Gamma knife icon, the incident was flagged because the devices share similar risks. Monitoring related products helps companies stay proactive and anticipate potential issues before they escalate. Using Houdin for adverse event monitoring provides multiple benefits. Automation reduces the manual workload involved in monitoring numerous channels. Real-time alerts ensures faster identification of and response to safety concerns. Customizable filters allows monitoring to be tailored to specific products or event types. Compliance support helps meet regulatory requirements more efficiently. Houdin's streamlined process ensures you capture vital adverse event data, enabling swift action to safeguard patients and maintain compliance.